You're studying ocean waves with this terrible, terrible, terrible equation right there. Oh, thank you. It's a calculator problem. At what time t will the ocean wave reach a height of 3 meters? So what we're going to do is we're going to graph this guy in our graphing calculator. We're also going to graph where the height is 3 and find out where these two guys intersect. So let's run to the calculator and see what happens. So you're studying ocean waves, huh? Well, let's type out this weird-looking function. It's a sine function, so 2, there's my sine. I always get paranoid with fractions, so I'm going to do parentheses pi over 4. So pi is u is pi, divided by 4, like that. Now we can close it. Instead of t, we're going to use x minus another fraction, so another parentheses pi. Pi is u is pi. Divided by 3, close it again, plus 1. Now, let's get a picture of this. I know we're not done, but let me zoom trig by hitting zoom 7, and that gets me kind of my sine wave right there. At what time t will the ocean wave reach a height of 3 meters? Well, first things first, this is real life stuff, right? So I don't care about negative x values. I don't. So at some point, there's my picture. I'm going to hit 3 meters. So here's 1, 2, 3. At some point, I'm going to hit 3 meters. Maybe, it looks like, probably. So why don't I find out what that time is by going to y equals 3 and then finding out where these two guys intersect. So it's going to intersect somewhere around here. Second calc will let me find the point of intersection, so I'm going to hit second calc 5. My first curve, I'm going to make sure I'm to the left of what looks to be the intersection point. Knowing what I know about altitude and vertical shift, it looks like it's literally going to peak out at 3, because it does. So I'm going to make sure I'm to the right of 3, hit enter, and when I hit enter again, it gives me the intersection point of 3.333333333. So I'll say 3 1/3, I guess. Well, we got ourselves a nice little 3 1/3. So since this is pre-calc, we'll do 3.333. Nothing. No, they don't tell us. Well, thanks, ChatGPT. You blew it. So t equals 3 1/3. Fun stuff.